This is ridiculous. We have a cheer competition next week, and Marsha was assaulted yesterday and now she's scared to come to school.
Funny enough, no, not even I know who did it.
It have to be somebody from the school because it happened near the school.
Well, I heard it was 2 girls beat her up.
And who you hear that from?
Who else?
This is a big issue, you know. We can't lose this competition.
I guess we have to find somebody to replace Marsha.
Do you know how long that could take for us to teach a new girl the routine?
Well, she's free to come back and you can't force her to come.
Who beat up Marsha?
So wait there, who tell you say me know who beat up Marsha?
Jamili, stop playing around the man, something serious this, you know?
And the ugly Indian girl Sabrina?
But me hear say a 2 girl beat her up.
Well, you don't know, so the prefects can't get her on dirty, me love. She always have her little idiot them for do her work for her. Feel away though, me not lie, Marsha never deserve that. But them girls are just obsessed with O'Shane. Big only I made them.
So this is about O'Shane.
But could I who else, Shana? You know every girl in that school you want O'Shane.
Sydney, what is it? I have a lot of stuff to deal with, you know. What's bothering you? Why you couldn't text me?
I just felt better to talk to you in person. Cause I'm really scared, Shauna.
Listen, don't say nothing else. We're going to somewhere private, alright? So Sydney, you really are telling me, say, me can't believe this. This have to be a prank. This have to be a prank because first with the thing when Marsha know you. Who the hell, Sydney? How the hell you make 20 breed you?
Him saying pull out. He told me he pulled out. I thought he did.
Sydney, Jesus Christ. Pre-cum can still get you pregnant.
Please, Shauna, don't tell anybody, please. I haven't even told my mother yet.
You know I'm not gonna tell anybody, Sydney. But my God, a bottom feeder like Tony.
I'm really sweet when him need to be. Trust me, him is.
You do know Tony's sleeping with other woman in high school, right? You do know that.
He said the girls were his friend.
You know what? I don't even have the mental capacity right now to tell you common sense from foolishness. But this have some serious damage control I forgot going now. Don't worry, me take care of it.
Can we have a plan B, please?
Sydney, relax, okay? It's alright. My auntie know this woman. Trust me. It's gonna be okay.
Shauna, maybe that's a mistake. Maybe I should have this baby.
Do you hear yourself? You're still in high school. What the hell you do with a baby? I'm doing you this favor. Come on, man. Jeez, man.
Shauna, this is your friend. She's very lovely, man. Very beautiful girl. So you go, girl, you get yourself with a little problem. Don't worry. Me, Miss Elliot.
Just be easy with her. This is our first time doing something like this. And she's actually really nervous. So please, make sure she's okay, alright?
You don't have to worry about a thing. I will make your friend very okay. Plus, we'll get rid of that little problem for you and can live your life the way you want. Come, my child. Let's get ready.
Trust me, once you go in there, it will be over before you even know it, alright? Well, that's what Auntie Debbie told me anyways.
Shauna, I'm begging you, please don't tell anybody about this. I don't want nobody to find out about this, please. May I beg you?
I'm dear Sydney. Remember, say I'm my best friend and I wouldn't tell a soul. Don't worry, you're going to be alright.
Alright. I'm just really nervous. My God. Maybe I should have told Tony and tell him to come in with me. What do you think?
Sydney, you don't need Tony. I'm here for you, alright? You're gonna be alright.
It smells funny in here. What's that smell?
Don't worry about it. You burn a lot of sage. Okay? Go, Sydney. You'll be okay. Alright?
Oh, sorry, my child. I forgot some things in the other room. I'll go get it. You just relax. It will be over before you know it, and you can go back to live your life, okay? You will be just fine.
Hello? Oh, what one? Yeah? Oh, alright. No, Mom, it won't come. I just have to deal with some stuff. Okay? Don't worry about it, Oliver. I'm coming over right now. Yeah. Okay. I have to bring my friend home. Because she's going to, get a doctor appointment. And then I'll get a local medicine to make her juice. So I have to follow her. Haven't seen you in a while, stranger.
Oh, hey Shauna, I'm so happy you came.
Come here. Give me a hug. Miss you,
Susie was supposed to come, but she has a lot of practicing to do. Thanks for coming. Masha could really use the company. I'm trying to convince her to come back to school, but she doesn't want to come. Maybe you can convince her.
So you want me to work my magic? Alright, no problem.
Oh, thanks a lot, Shauna. Oliver, you come. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Oliver. Susie couldn't come. But this is Shauna. Her and Marsha are on the same cheerleading squad. So she said she will try to help her to come back to school. Plus they have a cheerleading competition next week. Oh god, I forgot about that,
Hi, Miss Brown. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Why? She's very pretty, Oliver. You are a very pretty girl. Thank you so much for coming and helping my daughter. I really appreciate it,
No problem, Miss Brown. We'll get her up on her feet. Marsha, get up. Her room really nice too, I'm not lie. So, what's this you're saying not come back to school? You know the competition is next week. I will need you, right? I mean, you are one of the best people in Power Cheerleading Squad.
Shauna, I want to come back, but I'm really afraid them girl I could try to beat me up again. I can't deal with it. I'm really terrified. I don't even know why them attack me. I don't even know them. I'm just scared, Shauna.
That sounds like something really awful, Marsha. But don't worry. We'll have your back, alright? I know you're scared, but don't worry, man. We're there for you, as your friend.
I don't understand why them attack me. What did I do? I don't even know them. Even the prefect attacked me.
Sabrina, don't worry about she, man. Me talk out things for you. Don't worry about that thing, alright? Nobody not touch you.
Yeah, sure, because what if them do? I mean, only can't be with me all the time.
No, yeah, worry, Marsha. But trust me, she'll never go bother you again. Me deal with it. Me handle it, alright? It's my one of my best qualities, them. If you get everything done on time, just cheer up and come back to school. Alright?
Okay, you can you talk to Oshie for me too? I haven't seen him in a while. I'm really miss him. I don't want him to think me avoid him or anything.
Yeah, me talk to him too. Don't worry. Yo, Susie, how are you there? Who's you to talk about? Oh, I'm a friend.
Remember say I tell me say I practice. Some decide say would I come pick you up like when it get dark. You look good in that uniform them man. Now come with me.
We're supposed to go to Marsha's house. We go check on her. But I guess I can't come with you. I mean, it's get late. I can go to our house tomorrow. Ready for leave now?
As long as you ready, me ready. Plus, Uncle lent me the car for the whole night. So if you want a local phone, we can.
Alright, sure, no problem. Me forward now. Give me a second.
Why you so quiet, man? Talk to me now. You want to do something else? We can go movie. There's a Bob Marley movie come out. You want to go watch it? Or we can go TJ Fridays to get some feed. It's up to you, you know. Whatever you want.
I just want to chill and talk to you.
You sure? We can do something more exciting, you know. Now for sit down here and you know, in the middle of nowhere. Can bring you somewhere more fun.
No man, I want to go. I want to stay here with you.
Alright, if I this you want, we can stay here and chill, man. And talk for that you want. Quiet. What's wrong, Susie? Talk to me, no man. Did I think God wants something to your mind? Talk, man. Well, yeah, we're look a boyfriend. But you don't make me meet him. Oh no.
I'm not think about him. I think about, well, I think about my family and
Oh, don't worry about them, man. Alright? Just me and you there. Just think about the moment.
grandfather. He kind of pray me. Because when I go visit my father, but when I see the sense, him not talk to me. Him not even really acknowledge me, so I don't see why I must visit him. But I just want to stay by myself, you know what I mean? I don't want to push up myself on him and he might ignore me.
Whatever make you comfortable, you do that. If you don't feel comfortable right now for hang out with your father, you're not for hang out with him. It's up to you.
So you don't think me's a bad person? If we're not going to go check up on him more while? I mean, I haven't been over there in months. I haven't talked to him or anything.
Think you pray too hard night. And boy, no, you never grow this, man. Come on, come relax. Lie down for me.
The cologne smell good. Really good.
Look on the sky. Pretty, don't it? Now we're supposed to be trying to be here, but feel okay. Shauna! Hey, wait, why did you leave?
May I go home? Plus, shouldn't you be calling your little girlfriend?
I didn't want you to walk home by yourself. I mean, I don't want nobody to hurt you or anything. I mean, it is pretty late and you're a girl. You shouldn't be out here by yourself at night.
I'll look on you worrying about me. You are so sweet. Alright, if you want me home, that's fine. Come, let's go. Can't believe them still awake. Especially Daddy. I always a drink on them time here. Can't believe him up.
I'm gonna leave now, okay? Just wanted to make sure you were home safe, so I'm gonna go now, right?
Oh, why you stay with me?
And it's not a good idea if I stay.
Can't just stay one night with me? Eh? You don't miss me?
Yeah, but Susie...
Don't worry about she. Come with me in the house. Everything alright?
Yeah, man. My uncle just text me. He want me to do some work for him. You know, can look money. Maybe next week I can bring you somewhere. I take you on my, you deserve it. I'll bring you somewhere you never go before.
Shane, I really appreciate it. And you listening. I have to go in, alright? Or am I getting in trouble with my grandfather? I'll see you later, okay? I'll text you.
Susie, where you been? Look how late it is. You have me a worry about you, you're not answer your phone. We no practice not that long, Susie.
Sorry, Grandpa. I went out after and we get some food and thing. That's why I come home. I just lose track of time, that's all.
I wanna make it happen again, alright?
This is starting to look real good, right? I may be better than you in no time. So, what's going on with you?
I was there thinking about something. Susan, I really like your hair. That hairstyle really fit you nice. You look pretty.
Thanks, Damien.
I wonder if maybe you will like go eat some lunch right now.
I really can't right now. I have to deal with some stuff. And my friend I go take me out, go lunch.
Alright, maybe next time then.
Cindy, you need to relax, okay? You're going to be fine. You're not going to die. Bleeding is normal, alright? Especially after you know what. You should be happy. At least you don't have to be stuck with Tony for the rest of your life. My God, that would be torture. You need to focus your mind on other things now, okay? Forget about Tony. I think it's better if you stop dealing with him too. Just coming like some big freaking crosses, and you can do way better than him. Don't worry, alright? I'm here for you.
Shauna, can I talk to you for a second?
Sorry, Oliver, can't right now. My friend, I'll go through something and I want to be here for you, alright? I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay, okay. Maybe after school or maybe tomorrow, right?
Yeah, sure. Just text me where you want though, and we'll meet up, okay? Me see you later, alright? Okay? Text me. Don't forget. Oliver, I really need to talk to you about something. Can we go talk in the hallway, please? Look, I've been thinking real hard about this for a while now, and I don't want to, basically just continuing this thing. I just think that me and you need a break, Oliver. Looking to myself, and I really don't want nothing serious right now. I just want to be single and focus on school and football and everything. I'm not trying to lead you on or anything. I just think it's better if me and you just stay friends.
At first I was thinking about that, and I think maybe you're right. We are better off as just friends. I mean, we're always fighting anyways. It doesn't really make any sense.
Yeah, and I don't really feel like we're all that compatible. I mean, we have different interests and everything.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Later, Oliver. So, are you attack one of my teammates then?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about? Sabrina? Well, you lick your head, you have amnesia.
Shauna, I don't know what your problem is, but come out of my face. You just put your hand on me. Oh, you foot.
Listen, you pug face, inbred looking bitch. The next time you touch any of my teammate them, me gonna cut out your tongue and feed it to the crocodile and my greater more. You need to understand something. I own Ocean. So if you want to fuck Marsha, and me control that. So touch Marsha again, I'm gonna hurt you. You don't know who my people is, you know. Nobody will even find your body. And if you ever tell anybody about this conversation, I'm gonna cut your local poodle dog throat. Yes, your white poodle dog, and hang it in front of your local sister primary school. You know, Apple Tree Primary. Yeah. So it better easy yourself. I'm gonna make your life a living hell. So, have a nice day.